Okay, I'm going to just go over this page again because I forgot to hit record. So for triangles, essentially, or primarily for triangles that are not right triangles, so oblique triangles, non-right triangles, we have in the law of cosines. The law of sine says side A opposite sine capital A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C, and we could flip it. The law of cosines, we have the side and the angle opposite at extremes. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine big C, or cosine big B if we have B on the extreme, or cosine big A if we have A on the extreme. We're going to use this table to tell us whether we need to use the law of sines or the law of cosines, depending upon what information is provided. If three sides are given, then we need to use the law of cosines, but we need to start with the longest side. If we're given, oh, this doesn't even say that. So if we're given side-side angle, then not only do we need to use the law of sines, but we need to use this additional procedure that's below to tell us if we have 0 triangles, 1 triangle, or 2 triangles. So let's go ahead and look at that. If we are given side-side angle or angle side-side, and a lot of people prefer to write it this way because they think that the ambiguous case is that word. We have 2 sides and an angle not between those sides. This is ambiguous because, so we've got a side, oh, let's see, we've got a side, and an angle not between them. So I used this naming convention. G is the angle given. Little g is the angle is the side opposite, and N is the side given not the same as the angle given. So you see, one of the sides is definitely going to be the same as the angle, and then the other side is not this base one. So the other side given is between the side that is given and the angle given. And this side that's given can reach only once, can reach twice, or can reach not at all. So here is where we're going to talk about the altitude again. And again, the altitude is the height of a triangle. It's determined by dropping a horizontal line from an angle, so we can think of this as angle B, down to the opposite side. So this would be side B. And this is called the altitude. And it is given by the sine, because notice the sine of the angle G, well, that's going to be its opposite over hypotenuse, right? So opposite, here's our right angle, a right triangle. So opposite would be H. Hypotenuse would be N. We're going to multiply both sides by N. And we get that n times the sine of g is h. So the height of the triangle we're going to determine before we start. We're going to find the side that doesn't match times the sine of the given angle. And we're going to compare h with the side that is given, the side that matches the angle. No triangle results if G is acute less than 90 and side G is less than H. And you can kind of see what that would look like. If side G is less than H, then it's never going to be able to hit the side below it. No triangle results if G is obtuse. So if G is greater than 90 and side G is less than or equal to side N, the side that isn't the same as the angle. So let's see. If side G is less than or equal to angle side N, let's see. So we've got an obtuse angle G. Here's N, and let's say that that's G. Then if G is less than or equal to N, it's not going to hit that third side. G has to be longer than N in order to have a chance to hit that third side. One angle results when G is less than 90 and H is less than G, and that N is less than G. So not only is the altitude less than the opposite of the given angle, but also the given side that is between the given angle and the given side, that side, if it is less than the opposite side, then we'll have only one triangle. We'll have two triangles when G is less than 90 and H is between, or G is between H and N. So here's one triangle, and here's the second triangle. And this, so here's the combined, but this side G pivots to create the second. So we have in acute and in obtuse. And we'll see examples of both of those. And again, we'll give the final answer in a table so that we make sure we've got everything provided. So if I'm given angle A, angle B, and side A. So even if I don't have this image, let's see. I'm going to draw the triangle. I can see that A is less than 90. So here's A, and A at the top. So I've got angle, angle, side. An angle, side. And we said angle.
Miss Nell, your
Yeah.
Audio's chopping out.
I'm gonna pause. All right. So we had side, angle, angle, side. So here it is, angle, angle, side. Wait, where's my, I'm gonna pause it again.